new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix YouTube app not working on iPhone or iPad. So let's start. So first let's go to your icon on YouTube, click press, and then let's go to the part that says app info. Just click here, and then when we are here, just go to the part that says storage or clear data. Just click here, and you will clear all your data from YouTube. So that's the first tip. The second one is also force the stop. And if this doesn't work, let's go to Play Store, and you have to check if there is no update for YouTube. Sometimes when there is an update for your app, it doesn't work completely, so you have to check if there is an update. And you can see here, in my case, I don't have an update, but if you have, it appears here. So you have to update the app for doing it. So that's the way to do it. Try also to reinstall or uninstall the app, depending on your phone. But you can uninstall the app and reinstall once again. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.